How to add text on TikTok at different times, or how you can change the text duration on TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can actually set a particular text time for your TikTok videos and how you can change the duration of those texts. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might have a TikTok video, you want to add some tutorials within it, you want to actually add a text to speech, and you want to actually also change the duration for those texts. Well, the process is very simple. First and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated TikTok, I'm just going to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. In order to change the text duration on TikTok, all you have to do is, first of all, we have to go about creating a simple post. So I will just tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. I will allow all the permissions the TikTok application requires, and then I will simply select a video which I want to upload to TikTok. So I'll just go ahead and select a random video from my device. So once I go ahead and then select a random video, as you can see, it has successfully been loaded here. Now let's say that I want to add a text to these videos, and then I also want to change the duration of those texts. Well, first of all, just go ahead and tap on the text button which you see on the very top right corner of the screen, and then go ahead and enter your desired text for this one. Once you enter your text over here, as you can see, just tap on the done button. If you want, you could change the colors, you could change the font, and you could also change the size and so on. Now what I will do is I will just tap once on this particular text button, and as I tap on it, you'll find the three options which says text to speech, set duration, or to edit. So what I will do is just tap on the set duration button. As I tap on the set duration button, you basically have the option to actually customize when you want this text to appear. So you can just go ahead and drag this little red icon hovering over this particular timeline at the bottom of the screen, and you can just drag this to the part where you want the text to appear. So similarly, once you're done with the required changes, just tap on the check button at the bottom right corner. Now when you play that video, you'll be able to see that particular text will roll between the time which you have set. Similarly, let's say you want to add another text, repeat the same process by tapping on the double A icon. Just go ahead and then enter your another text which you want to add, and then just similarly set the time in that way. And this is simply how you can actually change the text duration on TikTok videos. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next videos.